So, you're doing your thing. You've done your College 101 class. That's pretty cool. It says hello world. It's not an unreasonable question to ask, where can we go from here? One common approach is to seek out open source projects and dig your claws in and see what's happening. However, that can sometimes be a bit intimidating. Dealing with large code bases is a skill which you'll develop over time, but it feels like there isn't much of an intermediate between hello world and crazy large projects and things. One approach we can take to bridge this gap is taking on our own projects. And in taking on our own projects, it's really great if we can find like a lot of different projects, kind of like suggestions and things. So I'm rambling. I found today this GitHub repo by Practical Tutorials called Project-Based Learning. And basically what it has is from many different programming languages, collections of tutorials based around constructing projects and things. So for instance, we go to C, C++, we have all these different things, okay? We can build an interpreter, we can make a memory allocator and stuff. If we're interested in one of these, we just click in and it links to various tutorials. This one in particular is a little hard to read. Oh, no, it's not. We can highlight it. Anyway, so personally, I think something like this is really cool. And I think it's really cool that this repo has a bunch of them all collected together in the one spot. Some of these link to other repos, like build an OS from scratch is a different repo. But anyway, they also have projects organized according to topic. So we can do network programming in C, C++. We can do OpenGL. We know how to do that, right? Everything you ever need. I mean, look, they've got both of the Python topics, data science and machine learning. Okay, so I just wanted to quickly share this resource because I think it is awesome, and I'm definitely going to be having a look at it. Many fun little weekend projects. Because sometimes it feels like the world of programming is a little bit walled off. You know, you have the people who know how to do things, people who don't know how to do things, and there's like a big ivory tower separating. You know, that's not really the case, but it does feel like that sometimes. So anyway, I'm just super excited about this thing, and I'm not sure what else I wanted to say. Just wanted to share it with you. I hope you enjoy it if you weren't aware of it already. Link down in the description. And yeah, that'll be it. All right. Have a good one. Bye.